You just had an egg, and we're going to put this bowl in front of your face because I want to see your reaction again. Oh no! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Courtney, you gonna laugh? Is it yummy, yummy, yummy? Mom. Courtney, what are you looking at? Is it yummy? Oh. All right, let me see the bowl. Thank you. Let's see what we get going on here. Oh, yay! Yummy! Yum, yum, yum. Oh. You gonna do your thing where you do, oh. Oh. Courtney. Oh. You can do it? And that's where the dogs sit because they know the best seat in the house. Oh, Cody's getting some scrambled eggs.